Selecting ground-covering plants for hard surfaces and slopes can be challenging, due to factors like soil stability and maintenance. Here are some recommendations: 15 best plants for ground covering on hard surfaces, for their hardiness and ability to thrive in challenging conditions. Sedum popstar is a cultivar of Sedum spectabile, commonly known as stonecrop or ice plant. It is valued for its compact growth habit and long-lasting flowers, making it suitable for ground covers, rock gardens, and slope areas. This sedum produces clusters of star-shaped flowers that are typically pink or reddish-pink in color. A perfect, low-maintenance bordering plant for any landscape area. Golden Pacific juniper. An excellent choice for both hard surfaces and slopes. It is valued for its vibrant, golden yellow foliage in spring and summer, turning bronze gold in winter. A perfect zero-maintenance, low-growing, spreading ground cover, to add year-round color and texture to gardens and hardscapes. Creeping phlox, known as Phlox subulata, is another excellent choice for ground cover, especially on slopes. The dense mat of foliage helps to stabilize soil on slopes and prevent erosion. Creeping phlox is a beautiful and functional plant that enhances the landscape with its vibrant blooms and ground-covering abilities, making it an excellent choice for both aesthetic appeal and practical use in various garden settings. Lemon ball sedum. A fantastic choice for adding bright color and texture to your garden, especially for ground covering, hard surfaces and slopes. Provides a striking contrast with its bright yellow-green foliage, adding vibrant color to the garden. It is highly drought-resistant and requires minimal care, and best part is, it is easy adaptable to poor soil conditions. Excellent choice for covering large areas and adding a pop of color. Beyond blue fescue. It is a fantastic, compact low-growing ornamental grass, known for its striking blue-gray foliage and neat clumping habit. It's an excellent choice for adding texture and color to gardens, particularly in open areas, hard surfaces, and bordering areas. Fine needle-like blue-gray leaves that maintain their color throughout the year, adding striking year-round color and fine texture. Highly drought-resistant habit of beyond blue, making it ideal for dry areas. Ajaga, also known as bugleweed, is a versatile and hardy ground cover plant. It is valued for its evergreen leaves that can range in color from deep green to bronze, purple, and variegated forms. Dense, mat-forming growth helps to stabilize soil on slopes and prevent erosion. A versatile ground covering plant to add color and texture to the garden throughout the year. It produces spikes of small, tubular flowers in shades of blue, purple and pink, from late spring to early summer. Ice plant, known as Delosperma, is a wonderful ground-covering plant, an excellent choice for adding color and resilience to gardens, especially on hard surfaces. It produces a profusion of daisy-like flowers in bright colors such as pink, yellow, and white. Ice plant is ideal for covering large areas, with its dense, colorful foliage. Perfect for planting in crevices, between rocks, and on walls, adding texture and color. Lantanas are popular flowering plants, known for their vibrant blooms and hardy nature. Lantanas provides a long blooming period, starting from spring to frost with vibrant, colorful flowers. Habits of highly drought-resistant, adaptable to a wide range of soil types and low maintenance, makes lantanas ideal for dry areas and hard surfaces. Trailing lantana, ideal for ground cover and hanging baskets. Dianthus is a versatile and attractive plant that brings a delightful combination of color, fragrance, and ease of care to various garden settings, making it an excellent choice for ground-covering plant on hard surfaces and decorative purposes. It is valued for its attractive gray-green leaves and fragrant flowers in shades of pink, red, white, and bicolors. Effective for preventing soil erosion on slopes, particularly with mat-forming types. Purple heart, scientifically known as Tradescantia pallida, is a striking plant, known for its vibrant purple foliage and ease of care. Ideal for covering small areas with its trailing, spreading habit. It's an excellent choice for adding color and texture to gardens, especially for bordering areas and hard surfaces. Purple heart prefers well-drained soil, but is adaptable to various soil types, including sandy and rocky soils. Hens and chicks are resilient, attractive succulents that add a unique charm to various garden settings. Thick, fleshy leaves that form tight rosettes, and the leaves can be green, red, purple, or variegated. This highly drought-tolerant succulents provides year-round interest with its unique rosette forms and various colors. Low-growing, spreading habit makes them ideal for ground cover and containers. If you are enjoying the content of this video, please drop a like to this video for channel support. Thank you. Lamb's ear. It is a perennial herbaceous plant, known for its soft, velvety foliage and low-maintenance nature. It is low-growing, spreading herbaceous perennial, ideal for covering small to medium areas, under the tree areas, and dry areas of the garden. Silvery gray leaves adds a smooth contrast color to dark backgrounds, and it prefers full sun to partial sun. Artemisia silver mound. A popular ornamental plant known for its finely textured, silvery gray foliage and mounding growth habit. It is valued for its soft, finely divided, silvery gray leaves and low-growing mounding habit. A perfect ground covering plant that adds contrast color to any landscape area. It is deer resistant due to its aromatic foliage, and effective for preventing soil erosion on slopes due to its dense foliage. Big blue liriope. It is a popular ornamental grass-like plant, known for its attractive, grassy foliage, and spikes of purple-blue flowers. It's a versatile and low-maintenance plant that is excellent for various garden settings, including hard surfaces, slopes and bordering areas of the beds. Valued for its narrow, strap-like leaves, that are dark green forming dense clumps and spikes of small, bell-shaped, purple-blue flowers in late summer to early fall. Daylily going bananas is a popular cultivar, known for its prolific blooming and cheerful, bright yellow flowers. This daylily is particularly prized for its extended bloom period and easy care, making it an excellent choice for various garden settings, including large open areas, slopes, and bordering areas. It provides long-lasting, vibrant yellow flowers that add color and brightness to the garden. Thank you for watching House Talks channel. For more interesting garden ideas, please subscribe to the channel. A new video will be added every week.